All right, we have began our descent. We are about 29 minutes into it. We have gone about 0.4 miles and descended from about what does it say, 6,000 feet. So we're about 4125. So we're here at the base of the mountain. A lot of scrambling, especially downhill. We had to slide down a wash and then walk through, I guess, what used to be a river probably in the spring, and then we are headed back to Juniper Flats. A lot of nice rocks here. We're headed back. Finally found a trail. One last look at Whale Mountain right there at the peak, and we are headed back down. A lot of spikes in the shoes there earlier, kind of goes through the socks. Probably a good idea to have gaiters next time. Other than that, it's pretty good. There's also a bee that's been following Lala the whole time. Babe, is the bee still following you or not anymore? Is the bee still with you? So I guess we lost the bee there quite a few feet back. And we are just following all trails. Seems to be pretty good. I don't know if you can see that or not. All right. See you later.